Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the faceplate now. You've already unplugged the phone. Once done, use a small Phillips or flat screwdriver to remove the two faceplate screws and lift the cover. You do this to expose the jack and the wiring behind it for inspection. Make sure to check for dial tone before disconnecting at the jack so you know the line is live. If possible, turn off service at the network interface device to isolate the wiring safely. Once the faceplate is off, you'll see either screw terminals or IDC clips securing the wires. Carefully loosen screws or depress the IDC tab and free the two-pair or single-pair conductors, keeping track of red/green tip/ring and the other pair if present. Label the wires with tape if you intend to reuse the run later. This prevents reversed wiring when reinstalling. Pull the jack assembly out of the baseboard cavity gently to avoid nicking insulation, and coil the freed cable. Now finish by capping or insulating any exposed wire ends with electrical tape or wire caps, then tuck the cable into the baseboard cavity. Install a blank wall plate or screw the jack back in as a non-functional cover to keep the opening clean. Once done, test with a phone at the NID or another jack to confirm the circuit is disconnected or still active. If you still hear dial tone after removal, make sure the line feed isn't coming from another junction. If unclear, contact the provider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.